Hi, this is Joan Pratt with the RE/MAX Professionals. We are here at 1273 Gilbert Street, and this is a little 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo located in Castle Rock. As you can tell, this is a ground floor unit, which is very rare, and it actually backs up to a green belt. So as we get closer to this door over here, you can take a look at this beautiful old oak tree and get a feel for the property. It does have a storage unit that is attached, and we'll take a look. We have new flooring in here. There is new paint, new appliances, new granite. The bathroom has been renovated, and it looks like we have a light bulb that's acting a little funny, but let's go take a look over here. So this is our second bedroom. Both bedrooms have 2 closets. It's pretty nice to have this much storage. We'll go ahead and go to the next one. These are new doors also with trim. Come on down the hall here. We have a new bathroom, so all the sheetrock and everything is new. The enclosure is new, all the fixtures. We've got the dual purpose toilet with the low flow, high flow. And then there's a nice little linen nook over here we'll let you take a look at. I'm gonna turn off that light because it's a little crazy. In here, we have a brand new furnace and a newer water heater too. So there you go. Looks like we need a vacuum. Coming into the last bedroom. This one has 2 closets as well. And they're pretty good sized closets. If we close this door, you can see some of our staging stuff. Don't worry, we don't stage with the golden peacock. That's from the previous resident. Here is our second closet in here. Got some good space, and as you can see, it's large enough. This is a queen size head frame, and I believe that this is a full size bed. So just to give you an idea on how everything fits in here. We're going to take a look at the kitchen. Oh, washer and dryer is included with the unit, and it's right here. So it's just a couple years old. If you want to come this way, you can go take a peek in there. And there you go. This is a perfect little dining area, or if you needed an office space, you could put it in here as well. There's some additional shelving here, which is really nice. And then this is your coat closet. You have to come around the edge to be able to see it, but it gives you some extra storage. And because we just had it painted, we do have extra paint in here. The cabinets have been refinished. And so these are all new doors, new handles, the boxes have been painted, and the granite is quite lovely. The fixture here is really nice, and we have a soap dispenser. On all of our renovations, I'm making sure to put soap dispensers because they are just so convenient to have. We've got our great fridge here, nice and clean. You want to go take a peek in there. Whoops. Self-closing door. Oops. Let me get one at a time. Here you go. Have an ice maker and a new hood and a newer oven. So thank you so much for touring 1273 Gilbert with us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We'd be glad to open any other cabinets for you. I think that's a new garbage disposal too. and anything that we can do to help facilitate your home purchase now or in the future, just let us know how we can help. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.